Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your 9 to 5 job and looking for ways to make money from the comfort of your couch? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to share 5 ways to make money online without leaving your couch. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Before we dive into the 5 ways to make money online, it's important to note that making money online requires hard work and dedication. While some of these methods may seem like quick fixes, they will require effort on your part. With that being said, let's get started with the first method. The first way to make money online without leaving your couch is by taking online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinions, and all you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. While you won't get rich from taking online surveys, it's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash. If you have a talent for writing, you can make money online by becoming a freelance writer. Many companies and individuals are in need of content writers, and you can offer your services on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. As a freelance writer, you can earn money by writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and much more. If you have excellent organizational and administrative skills, becoming a virtual assistant may be the perfect way to make money online. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative support to businesses or individuals remotely. You can offer services such as email management, social media management, bookkeeping, and much more. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money online by tutoring others. Online tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly allow you to connect with students who need help in various subjects. As an online tutor, you can earn money by teaching students via video chat, phone calls, or text messages. Finally, you can make money online by becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale you make. You can promote products on your website, social media, or YouTube channel. As an affiliate marketer, the more sales you make, the more money you earn. So, there you have it, 5 ways to make money online without leaving your couch. Whether you choose to take online surveys, become a freelance writer, virtual assistant, online tutor, or affiliate marketer, these methods are a great way to make extra money from the comfort of your own home. Remember, success in making money online requires hard work and dedication, but with these methods, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.